What we would like to show here on this display is how to protect the machine and the process itself. It's about communication between the hot runner controller and the injection molding machine. We establish a communication with the I/O box that is part of our matrix controller, and it's working with potential-free contacts with the injection molding machine. What we're simulating here is that if we're in start mode, the machine is running, everything's perfect. There might be an error occurring on the machine or somebody's opening it manually. So we get a signal which is putting the machine into stop mode, sending a signal over to the hot runner controller, which is after delay time reducing the temperature due to the settings into the standby mode, which we can see here. So it's dropping temperatures to avoid that the resin is actually overheated for too much of time. If everything's fine again, we're going into normal start mode again, but we cannot start the machine so far because the temperature on the hot runner is still too cold. If we are at temperature, we're sending a signal again to the machine, so actually injection can start only when the hot runner controller is giving its signal to the machine that he's on temperature. If any other error occurs, the same thing happens. It stops the machine, and it will show that a fuse is blown, for example, here on the controller. What we also can do here, which is a very nice feature, that the matrix controller shows us directly where the error happens. So if we take the error log, we highlight the error, we go to the card layout, it will show us right away in what section the error occurred, and if we press that button, it shows us even in the detail what kind of fuse is blown or what kind of part is broken for a very fast replacement.